Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. On my mandatory spirit, when they call the Athletic, don't come outside and let us know, say Besiktas don't submit 2.5 million euros, which is about 2.0 million pounds or 2 million pounds for Rob Holding. Say they would like to sign the player. They've made the offer already, and this guy joined Arsenal, I think, from Bolton since 2016. He don't win like 2 FA Cups. I think that's all he has won at Arsenal, and the guy get like 14 appearances for us last season based on that Saliba injury and some other cameo appearances. We come into help us defend. So now, those of them already talk. So okay, we are moving ahead. We need to leave some players behind. Now, if the Besiktas they come to the one side, the player is the player going to take up the challenge and go and play regularly at Turkey, or he will prefer to still stay for Arsenal when they come in 10 minutes to the game to help us defend, all those kind of things. So I don't know what to be your own plan. And at the same time, I think I'm going to be like say get this special bond with Rob Holding. He likes using Rob Holding a lot. So whether I think I go even won't let the player go, because don't forget that we still have cups. We need people to come and play all those cups together. But at the same time, the player deserves to move on. Maybe we'll get a void so that we'll bring another person to fill up that void. So now, so it be, we need to grow. So at the end of the day, if the player takes up the challenge to go to Besiktas, I will let you know that. If Arsenal even accepts the offer, I will still let you know. Alright, so for those who know they are aware, Arsenal played their second preseason friendly yesterday against Nuremberg, and the match ended 1-1. Again, some people are happy with the scoreline, some people are not happy with the scoreline. So I think when they analyze the match, say this match in a new game when they just play, some players have not even trained up to 2 to 3 times before they put them there. Again, so as I even ask how not to see the performances of Havertz, Folarin Balogun. Saka scored the first goal, then the keeper Calhoun can't give Joji one kind pass when he's supposed to give him. Joji can't fumble small before you know it can't be own goal. So the ball can't enter the back of the net. So that make a 1-1, that make the match can't end 1-1. So for the first 11 set, I saw a lot of names get. I was happy Trossard starting the season with us, and Bukayo Saka and Ben White very, very sharp, and they had fun. Me personally, I don't watch the first half. I don't know about that because I don't really get where I go watch them again. I saw a lot of sites send. I don't forget send something different links to them give us. Until somebody now told me to go to Facebook and search for Drama BG. You get like a Facebook page, and then said now I watch the second half and you know break. Now on Facebook I watch them again. So which means the subsequent matches we will go play, like the match against Barcelona, the match against Manchester United, and the MLS All Stars. Maybe then go still show them for there. I don't really know. So that was how I was able to watch the match. But I don't really enjoy them like that, because I know saying I just match will say they already changed some people, so the intensity was not that much as I expected. But still people like Cedric Suarez still play. For don't say don't tell me represent Arsenal, he still play. So I thought that they give everybody a clean slate to get so more just to watch how the subsequent games will go. I believe say that MLS All Stars, the Manchester United will put a stronger lineup to get. But could they add more intensity? Make sure say the boys they get used to play, because most of these guys you don't think with them play, apart from the ones who just go play internationals, come back. So let's just see how everything will. But last now 1-1 we play, and remember I said we'll play Watford the first game. That one said now 1-1. This one again, come play 1-1. So let's just proceed. Alright, so Fabrizio Romano said come outside, can't declare the air. So Baba can talk say him don't already do here we go for the deals of the likes of Declan Rice and Julian Timber. So if the buying club now refuse to announce it, say now them, the onus lies with them. It is their prerogative, it is their choice not to announce it. But say whether he will go back on his word, say maybe Arsenal never signed the player. No. Say the deal has been done and dusted. According to Sky Sports, now Arsenal lawyers now hold everything. They are still going through the contract papers to get. After they finish, then go sign him again. So for whether maybe the deal will scatter or maybe something will happen, that is not going to happen. Fabrizio Romano don't confirm. I mean, I don't talk and say I don't see the deal collapsing because they've come a long way. It cannot collapse. All the media, everything, come on, it cannot collapse. So we'll just watch till when Arsenal will sign up. But whether Rice and Simba and our player, that one Shola go right and down, they'll be Arsenal player. So nobody they fear or anything. Just that the enthusiasm of the announcement, you don't come up for our body. Even if they announce them today, I don't think anybody will really they shout or like go haywire. That excitement don't rub off on us. Alright, so Frank Lampard also come aside from media set to explain about Declan Rice. So they don't say he went in the Chelsea. Say we won't sign Declan Rice again, but blessing the hierarchy for them, they don't really support him. Because if you say Declan Rice is a very, very phenomenal, a unique player, the guy be. See that guy, if you're saying sign him, he was going to be a Chelsea captain for the next 10 years because the guy get good leadership mentality, leadership skills, very humble boy. So in like the way the guy play. Yesterday, I even go YouTube go check the best of Declan Rice. Oh no, the way this guy they steal ball, the way they intercept ball. And my prayer is say all these things I'm watching on YouTube, I pray even if half of those things in do for Arsenal, I'll be very, very. Look at the way he steals ball, look at the way he intercepts, look at the way he slides. They collect cards, they collect fewer cards, and they commit a lot of things. They go be like foul, but not be foul because he let they touch the ball, they go collect the ball. Like I was just impressed. My prayer, even if not half, 50% of those things where I see, if not half, in do for us, I'll be very happy because the guy is having job that defensive stability he dey give am to the back line. As in, you will be center back, if they can hide your front, you will get confidence. Mad one. You will know say yes, Rock of Gibraltar dey your front. Before they go even pass am, they come meet you. Come on, you know say e no go dey easy for the opposition striker. So I just dey happy. So Rice kind of Lampard kind of talk say, well, you don't have to say don't happen, but him for like me sign the player for Chelsea. But I don't see the player self get grudge for Chelsea because Chelsea now release him when he was a youngster that he was not good enough. So after you don't pursue me, you won't come sign me. After another people don't groom me, so that grudge don't do. But that's why he himself personally no one go back to Chelsea. So that's what it is. But who knows if you say Chelsea collects Champions League slots, who knows whether he will still go back to Chelsea? We don't know. So God just do everything. Say he wants to stay for London, and Arsenal are the only London team where they offer a European football, the Champions League. So that's what it is. Alright, so for those who are aware, so Saudi Arabian clubs don't accept personal terms with Thomas Partey. This news broke yesterday, so Asemeka still let you know for those who are aware. So with the way to make Arsenal respond, maybe they will make offer, or rather Arsenal not got to respond and Partey are in camp. Neither accept personal terms, so we are waiting for them to make an offer. Even though we've heard in the past, I think the way Fabrizio Romano break up, say Saudi Arabian clubs are offering 40 million, and at the same time they want to pay instrumentally. And the thing is, the kind of money Saudi Arabian clubs will offer is a money that no other club in Europe will offer, because there is nobody that will be paying 40 million euros or 40 million pounds for a 30-year-old or 31-year-old defensive midfielder. Nobody will do that. So all those European clubs, they'll kind of give you 20 million, 25, just like similar to what they offer for Xhaka, 21.5 million, that kind of fee. Even that Xhaka fee, I was even surprised that the fee go up to that, because the guy age now a factor to deciding how much is worth. So more just watch last because I don't say Partey they fear. A lot of people, when I say Partey they fear, people will say Sanchez Partey they fear. Partey they fear. Wait, see, every good thing must have an end. Partey rise, don't they decline. Partey is not the Partey you used to know. So you need to know that today. There are some players that have been playing first position. All of a sudden, when there's competition, they become scared. And so it be. They know they used to staying on the bench. So when you give them that opportunity, say, "Oh my Baba, now your Benjamin go do," they'll start to fear. They no go want stay and compete. And the perfect example now this Kylian Tierney now, why they hear this morning say Kylian Tierney is keen to return to Scotland. Why? Because that was where he made his mark. He wants to go back to Celtic and enjoy playing time. Because number one, if you go for Newcastle, playing time no sure for him. He go still in Benjamin. You no sure for anybody. When you want Bernard Dampon is like the tallest field defender in the EPL. They give them that area threat and defensive stability. So him no fit do one. So that one said get wetin they bring to the table. Who you want bench? That fullbacks na Trippier and Dampon. So who you want bench? So you go first of all dey for Benjamin. So you are running from Benjamin to Benjamin. It is no brainer. You get so shey na Man City you wan go, you go stay bench. You get so where you wan go, anywhere you wan go, nowhere easy. Anywhere you wan go, you go fight for your place. So but if you go back to Scotland, in first team Shola, e dey set for am, and Celtic na team wey dey go Champions League. So no be saying they lack European football. So that is the thing. He's scared of competition. If not, if a day you fight for your place, at least you adapt. If the football philosophy or the football manager's philosophy is that we need to have inverted fullbacks, that is what we use in overpowering and dominating our opponents, you adapt. Change. Now what you see, as human being, you continue to learn till you die. So you need to, if manager they do something, you need to learn the new styles. That's what somebody who is modern and has a thinking faculty up there should be doing. Nothing like say, don't be my style, don't be my style. You have to adapt to the changes and tactics of the manager. That's what it's supposed to be. So you running away, you're just scared of competition. Alright, so I thought I'm going to talk about Kai Havertz. Because say the guy is not like for like replacement from Xhaka, because a lot of people don't talk say Kai Havertz no go fit play Granit Xhaka role. But back when they come outside they play the we know they buy him to play like Xhaka. We are buying him to bring his own individual qualities, his own attributes, bring it to the field of play and put it on the table. There are qualities that you will see in Kai Havertz that Xhaka does not have, which is the creativity part. Then the defensive stability part of Xhaka, you may not find it in Kai Havertz. Everybody get their own unique identity. So don't be expecting Kai Havertz to give you the same thing Xhaka will be giving you. For example, if you say that Kai Havertz did for Arsenal when they come out and Xhaka is coming, but people will still say the same thing, that Xhaka cannot fill up the roles of Kai Havertz because Xhaka cannot give you all the things Kai Havertz is giving you. You get so now, so it just be so. But after they clear the essay, this guy is going to be playing in the midfield and is going to be giving us something different. So at the end of the day, we'll see how it will be. Some of my Chelsea friends have already they message me say, see when Kai Havertz. I say, Baba, that's just the first match now. Some of our players gonna play well. Get most of these guys they don't play a lot of matches now. Now preseason, wait till the season starts. Get but they know they get used to the intensity and the heat they come till they play the Community Shield. Then the ball will come enter body. We'll come see how the first match will go. Alright, I think I'm going to talk about Folarin Balogun. They ask him whether Folarin Balogun will still stay with Arsenal. So I think I'm going to talk, say, and I quote, this is exactly what I think I talk. He is just staying with us at the moment and we will see what happens. This statement wey Ateta make, does that look like a statement of a manager that is confident of a striker or confident that the striker will stay with him and play? It shows there are a lot of things going on in the background. You get, maybe the player is pushing for a move. I don't really know, but from that statement wey Ateta make, the thing no sweet my belly. Something is fishy, something is going on. You get, but Moko just the word because Ateta to say he is just with us at the moment. We will see what happens. You should say the guy they really push, say, oh my, I won't go. Well, we'll just watch. I wish he stays for the sake of a lot of Arsenal fans who really love Balogun. We won't make him stay. I wish he stays. So if he doesn't want to stay, good riddance. At the same time, I can't notice one thing for the match they play against Lampard. Do you know that Ateta is still experimenting Jacob Kiwior in the left back role? He started this experiment like 2 matches to the end of last season. When he played Kiwior ahead of Kylian, put out for left back. Complained, I think Thomas Partey for right back. People were complaining, why you go play Kiwior? Why you go play Kiwior? It is an experimentation of things to come in the future. So which means this season, there's a huge possibility that they want to prepare Kiwior for the left back role in case of necessity. That is what me I'm saying. So that nobody say you could just do only you they play centre back. Because we know Kiwior can play centre back and play defensive midfield, but at the same time, we still need cover for the left back in case of emergency. That is why they are preparing him. Since they don't play him against Nuremberg now, they play and they can tell and enter, still play there. Even at the point, Benjamin White was playing the midfield yesterday. I don't know whether they observe all these tactical tricks by Ateta, because me, I'm very, very observant. I want to see what thing they go on for that man head. So I thought they let you know all these different things where they happen. We'll just watch. Alright, my dear Arsenal lovers, so if you don't watch yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. I get out.